share with you all is like from hype to practical mastery. So today we are going to cut through the AI hype and focus on practical mastery. This session is about understanding how large language models, LLMs, really work and how automation engineer can use them effectively, safely, and realistically. So LLMs are already part of our daily work. Okay? We use them to draft emails, summarize documents, and even generate automation code. Whether we notice it or not, they have become a core productivity tool that we need to understand deeply. So the problem is not AI itself. It's must I would say it's a misunderstanding. Many people assume that LLMs always know the right answer. In reality, without understanding their limitations, we risk trusting outputs that only sound correct. This is the danger we must avoid. So an LLM is trained on human amounts of text, book, articles, website, and code. But here's the critical point: it doesn't store or recall information like a database. It's a statistically model, not a knowledge based. So, what I mean to say that LLMs don't memorize the facts, they learn the language patterns, how words relate, and how context changes the meaning. That's why they behave differently from the search engine, which are designed for retrieval only, okay, like Google search. At its core, an LLM doesn't only one thing. It predicts the next most likely word based on everything it has seen before. That's how every response is generated, one token at a time based purely on the probability. Okay. So if I ask what is an apple, the model has no context. It could mean the fruit or the company. So the model simply guesses based on the probability. This ambiguity is a direct result of an underspecified prompt. So when we add a context like Apple company, the ambiguity disappears. This shows us something important. Context directly controls accuracy. The more specific you are, the better the output will be. Okay. So because LLM predicts text, they can sometimes produce answers that sound confident but are wrong. This behavior is called hallucination, and it's not a bug, it's a result of prediction. The model is simply predicting the most likely sounding sequence of the words. As an automation engineer, think of a hallucination like a flaky test. Okay, the output looks correct, but it fails when validated. That's why AI output must always be reviewed and verified before being committed to use code bases. LLMs won't replace the automation engineer. I am again repeating. They help generate the boilerplate, translate the scripts, and speed of the repetitive work. But validation, architecture, and business logic still belong to us. We are the architects. The LLM is a powerful assistant. To summarize, LLMs predict they don't know. Context improves the accuracy and the validation is essential. When used correctly, LLMs become powerful assistants, not risky shortcuts. Thank you very much. Keep watching and please subscribe.